Living off the land is a great way to sustain your whānau. Providing wild kai is a great way to save money, but it also allows you to stay connected to the land and sea. Today, I'm excited to show you my two-part system of what I take with me, whether I'm going on a quick hunt or for more than a night. I've got my bum pouch there. This here has enough pockets to hold everything that I need, including all the kit here on the bench. In its own little pouch is a packable bag. Always take with you a rain jacket because you never know what the elements are going to throw at you. Now I'll start with my main tool, every hunter's go-to, and that's their knife. We have the PLB, Personal Locator Beacon. Now being so small, you have no excuses to pack one of these anymore. It's up to you to keep responsible out there. I always have a snack in my pack there, and that's not to be eaten anytime, that's just in case of an emergency. A bit of calories, a bit of sugar can be that last bit of burst that you need to get back home. Some antiseptic cream for any bites or stings or rashes that you have out there. That's always handy to keep on you. Multi-tool, no need for too much explanation. Many tools in one, might as well have it on you. Some strapping tape, if you get a cut, you can put that wound back together pretty quickly. Some insulation tape, the old bushman's friend, it'll help you out in all situations. This here is my meat hook. It allows me to hang an animal in the bush. Now that makes for easy gutting and processing of the animal if you're going to bone it out. Part of the safety kit is a survival blanket. Even if you're just going out for a couple of hours hunt, anything can happen out there in the wild. You can get stuck out there overnight. So along with your rain jacket and a reflector blanket means that you should hopefully see that night through. I also take with me some rubber gloves. These are lightweight and helps with hygienic purposes if you're boning out meat in the field. A bit of technology here. We've got the GPS. This is only really needed in those areas where you don't necessarily hunt often. That's the majority of it all. Now right between my day kit and my overnight kit is my first aid. Now you can customize this to suit either situation. You don't need so much just for your day kit. Take a little bit more if you're going for an overnighter. There's some crucial things in here in your standard first aid kit, but I always make sure that I've got some antiseptic cream, paracetamol, tweezers, scissors. It's about having the tools in the field. So that's my day pack sussed. That's my core gear that I take with me on the daily, and it weighs just under 5 kilos into this back pouch. Now for my overnighter kit, I also take with me my day kit as well. This is the extra stuff that I carry with me. Now this is a 35 litre pack. I don't need any more than that for me. It means to be able to carry water in. These bottles here are quite a simple system. Within this pack, I have the bottle of course, and also have a means to be able to cook in. So there I can boil water in to make things safe. I can also cook a small meal in that as well. I've got a little gas canister here and a little cooker in this one. It all packs down quite small. Cooker goes on top and I can make myself a good brew. Moving on to my core camping kit. Basically I have a sleeping bag to suit the elements. A bivvy bag. Basically this is just a case that's waterproof that you hop in with your sleeping bag. And my fly. This is enough to be able to put a covering over myself for the night or two. I always take with me a change of clothes just for evening. So I've got some dry gear to wear when I'm sleeping. Some toiletries, which I've got my toothbrush, another means to be able to light fire. A map and compass. Now I always take a map and compass set with me. Obviously I have my GPS, but I can't always rely on that. Some paracetamol, some spare bootlaces. Just to complement the first aid kit, ACC have these instant ice packs. Basically you crack them and then you have a compression ice pack that you can put on your sprains. This here is a folding saw. It's nice and compact, very strong, really sharp. Some rope, some spare batteries. I've got my machete. Now that goes with me everywhere. It's just such a handy tool that allows you to cut up some old twigs and things like that. Be able to light yourself a fire if you have to. And that's basically it. So I've got my day kit that I always take with me in my handy hip pouch. And added to that, if I'm going for an overnighter, I have this other core kit here as well. Obviously a bigger bag, but it allows for me to carry the extra means that I need to be able to come back safely to my whānau, bringing home the wild kai. Hunt, gather, provide.